Picture this. You walk into a showroom and see Mazda's 2026 lineup lined up in front of you. It feels like a family reunion where every member has leveled up. From iconic sports cars to fresh EVs and even a pickup, Mazda has made sure there's something for everyone this year. Let's start with the legend, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. This car has always been about pure driving joy, and for 2026, Mazda kept that DNA alive while giving it a modern refresh. The design is sharper, sleeker, with those signature curves that make it instantly recognizable. But the big news is under the hood. The Miata now gets a hybrid boost. It's still lightweight and nimble, but the hybrid system adds extra torque and better efficiency without taking away the fun. Imagine carving through twisty roads with more punch and fewer stops at the gas station. That's the new Miata. Now let's talk about something many enthusiasts have been waiting for, the Mazda RX-9. Yes, the rotary dream is back, and it looks futuristic. The RX-9 is Mazda's new halo sports car, blending cutting-edge design with performance tech. The styling screams exotic, low stance, aggressive lines, and an interior that feels like a cockpit. And the powertrain? Mazda has worked in a rotary-based hybrid system, giving you the spirit of the classic RX line, but with a modern, eco-friendly twist. It's like Mazda finally said, okay, let's give the fans what they've been asking for, but better. Moving into new territory, there's the Mazda CX-20. Think of it as the stylish younger sibling in Mazda's crossover family. Compact, sporty and perfect for city life, but with enough room to handle weekend getaways. The CX-20 has a fresh design, with bold LED lighting and an upscale interior that makes it feel more premium than you'd expect. And with its hybrid engine, it balances zippy performance with everyday practicality. For younger buyers, or anyone, wanting something versatile without going full SUV, the CX-20 hits that sweet spot. And here's the real game changer, the Mazda Arata, their all-new EV. This is Mazda stepping fully into the electric future. The Arata has a clean, futuristic design that turns heads instantly, and inside, it's all about simplicity and space. Big screens, minimalist layout, and a quiet, smooth ride. What's impressive is how Mazda made it feel like a Mazda, not just another electric box on wheels. The steering, the handling, the way it connects you to the road, it still has that soul of motion feel. And the range is competitive, so you're not constantly worrying about charging. The Arata isn't just Mazda testing the EV waters, it's a bold statement that they're here to play. But Mazda hasn't forgotten its bread and butter, the CX-5. The next generation CX-5 is here, and wow, it's more refined than ever. Sleeker design, more interior space, upgraded tech, and a hybrid engine option to keep it efficient. The interior is where it really shines. Mazda took notes from luxury brands and gave it an upscale vibe without jacking up the price too high. Families will love the comfort, and drivers will still love that classic Mazda handling. It's the best version of the CX-5 yet. And then, something unexpected, the Mazda B2000 pickup. Yes, Mazda is back in the truck game. This pickup isn't about being the biggest or baddest. It's about being practical, stylish, and versatile. Perfect for urban drivers who want the utility of a truck without feeling like they're piloting a tank. The B2000 brings Mazda's signature design flair to the pickup world, plus hybrid efficiency to make it stand out from the usual crowd of gas guzzlers. It's a smart, modern take on a segment Mazda hasn't touched in years, and it just might surprise a lot of people. Now, when you compare all of these to Mazda's past models, it's clear 2026 is a turning point. Mazda isn't just refining old favorites, they're expanding, experimenting, and aiming higher. The Miata and RX-9 keep the spirit of performance alive, the CX-20 and Arata bring fresh energy for the future, the CX-5 keeps families loyal, and the B2000 opens a whole new door. The best part? Mazda has managed to do all this while keeping pricing competitive. Yes, there's a bump compared to older models, especially with hybrids and the EV, but when you look at the design, tech, and performance you're getting, it feels like solid value. So who's this lineup for? Pretty much everyone. The thrill seekers get their Miata and RX-9. The practical city crowd gets the CX-20. The eco-conscious get the Arata. Families stay happy with the CX-5, and those who need a truck but still want Mazda style finally get the B2000. Mazda's 2026 models show that they're not just keeping up with the times. They're setting the tone for where their brand is headed. More stylish, more adventurous, more eco-friendly, and still at the heart of it, fun to drive. If this is Mazda's future, I think we're in for an exciting ride.